Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and today I've got a really quick video editing tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to add text to your video for free in Windows 11 using a free piece of software that's included with Windows 11 called Microsoft Clipchamp. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so here we are in Windows 11, and I have a short video clip here on my desktop from our recent vacation, and this is what we're going to be adding some text to today. So let's go ahead and open up Microsoft Clipchamp. You can head down to the bottom here to your search bar and start typing in Clipchamp. And it should come up under Best Match. Now, if you're not seeing it for some reason, you can download it for free from the Microsoft Store, but it should come pre-installed here in Windows 11. So let's go ahead and open that up. Give it a second to open. We'll expand it here. All right, so once it's loaded up here at the bottom, you're going to see your recent projects. And then at the top here, it says create a new video, start from scratch. This is what we need to select. So go ahead and open up a brand new project. Now, once the project loads up, the first thing we need to do is select the size of our project. So here at the top, you can see it says size and it says change aspect ratio. There's a drop down here and we can select from 16 by 9, 9 by 16 or square. So make sure you select the one that represents the aspect ratio of your project. So I'm working with 16 by 9. Now from here, we need to go ahead and import our media. So you can click on import media here, or you can drag and drop your footage in. So I can hold down my left mouse button on the video clip and drop it in here. Or again, we can actually just search for it on our computer by clicking import media. So just go ahead and select that. You can click where it is on your computer. Mine's on my desktop, and we can search through here. And it should be named Sail Away. It's right there. So we'll go ahead and just click open once you find that. And it's going to take a couple seconds to load in there. There we go. Now from here, once it's loaded in, we need to bring it down into our timeline here at the bottom. It says drag and drop media here. So hold down your left mouse button on the media and you can drag it down and just drop it in here like that. So just drop it in there. And now we can hit the play button and it will play through that video clip. So next, let's go ahead and add some text to our video clip here. So there's an option here that says add text. If we left click on that, it's going to give us some text options here on the left-hand side, or you can click the text button off to the left here as well. Now there's different styles. There's regular text here at the top. There's titles. There's even some animated ones down here that bounce in or kind of slide in. So I'll let you play around with those on your own. I'm going to go ahead and add the one here at the top, just the regular text style here. If you click see all, you can see all of them. So there's quite a few. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one here, creator, and we'll just hold down our left mouse button and drop it here at the top. And I'm going to scroll in a little bit so we can see the whole thing. So with this text, you can move it back and forth by holding down your mouse button. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer, you can move it to the beginning. So I'm going to have it go through the whole clip like that. And you can see that you can move it around as well. So if I hold down my left mouse button on it, I can move it to the corner or put it at the bottom. I'm going to put it up here at the top. And if you click in this area, now we can type on it. So I'm going to type in something like our cruise. And you can see it's going past the edge of the video. So we do want to make sure that it's in the video clip. So I'm going to clip back on it. And then now I can move it over like that. So now when I play this, you can see that that text is in the corner of our video clip. So again, you can play around with this as you like. You can adjust the color here if you like, of the background or the highlight. You can adjust the font as well as the size. So lots of different options there. Now, once you've got it the way you like it, we need to export it. So up in the top right-hand corner, you'll see it says export. You can go ahead and left click on that. We're going to select our quality. So the highest quality you can do for free is 1080p here in Clipchamp. So make sure that's selected. We can change the file name. So I'm going to just name this one our cruise. You can name it whatever you like. There's an option here that says store in the cloud. I like to have that turned off. And then we're just going to go ahead and hit export. It's going to start exporting your project. It actually automatically downloaded it there, but you can save it to your computer, save it to Google Drive, etc. here. I'm going to save it to my computer. I'll put it on my desktop and I'll just go ahead and hit save here. And let's go find it. It should be there on my desktop. There it is. our cruise. And now you can see it's got that text in the corner. And really it's that simple to add text to your video for free here in Windows 11 using Microsoft Clipchamp. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.